Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you. And the first question: which of the following formulas let you predict the genotypic frequency of the next generation? Imagine that in our gene pool we have two alleles, P and Q. And of course, if we'll build simple Punnett square, we are going to get following ratios in the next generation. So here we are going to have P or P squared. Here we are going to have Q here, and Q squared here. Hence, Hardy-Weinberg formula, where F stands for the frequency of the three genotypes that we can get if we have two alleles in our gene pool P and Q. So we will have P squared plus 2PQ plus Q squared, and all this would equal to 1. And in this formula, maybe you get used to other letters. For example, P squared would stand for the homozygous dominant genotype, 2PQ will stand for the heterozygous genotype, and Q squared stand for the homozygous recessive genotype. And frequency of all the alleles P, or dominant allele, and all alleles Q in a gene pool would equal to 1, or 100%. I know that many people are wondering why here we have 2PQ instead P times Q. And here's the answer. So now we can choose the correct answer, which is answer C. Hardy-Weinberg formula allows us to predict genotypic frequencies in the next generation if we know frequency of two alleles for one locus. And next question: the total aggregate of alleles in a population is referred to as nothing to explain. You just have to memorize that. We call this a gene pool. For example, at a certain locus A on the chromosome, say this is going to be chromosome 1, we may have in a gene pool many different alleles. For example, A1, A2, A3, and so on, A100. So every mutation in the sequence of the gene would produce new type of alleles. And because we can get many different mutations, which is not going to affect maybe fitness, then there can be many different alleles in a gene pool. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.